that a rock? What'd you find? Ethan. Slow down. Ethan, stop. Stop. Good job. Good job. Yay. What's that? Huh? You put waters. Yeah. It's for water. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stop. Come on. Let's go back this way. Come on. Come on, Ethan. Let's go this way. You can see all around. You're gonna fall down if you go down that way. Let Mommy get over here. Yeah. You having fun walking around at Grandma and Granddad's house, Grandma and Grandpa's house? Lots of fun places, huh? There's Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Is that where you're going?